Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tech tips in a simple and straightforward way. Today, we're tackling how to deactivate Avast Antivirus 2025. Avast is a fantastic security tool, but sometimes you might need to turn it off temporarily, for instance, during software installations or troubleshooting. Don't worry. This process is quick and easy, but remember, deactivating your antivirus can expose your device to risks, so only do this when necessary and for a short time. First things first, ensure you're on your Windows or Mac computer with Avast installed. Start by locating the Avast icon in your system tray. That's the bottom right corner of your screen on Windows, or in your menu bar on Mac. Right-click the icon and select Open Avast to launch the main interface. Once you're in the Avast dashboard, head over to the Protection section. This is usually on the left-hand menu. Here, you'll see options like Real-Time Shields or Core Shields. For 2025 versions, look for the specific shields you want to deactivate, such as the File Shield or Web Shield. Click on the one you need, and you'll find a toggle switch or a pause button. Simply click it to turn it off. If you want to deactivate the entire antivirus, go to Settings from the main menu. In Settings, navigate to General or Troubleshooting. You'll find an option like Disable for a while or Turn off protection. Select your desired duration, such as 15 minutes or an hour, and confirm the action. Avast might prompt you for your administrator password to proceed. Enter it to complete the process. And just like that, Avast is deactivated. To reactivate, revisit the same settings and toggle it back on. Always double-check that your device is secure afterward. If you're switching to another antivirus or have any issues, feel free to explore our other videos for more guidance. Thanks for watching. If this helped you, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for more 2025 tech tutorials. Stay safe online, and we'll see you in the next one.